Hello and welcome. This is Nasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to print out from paper space. In previous session we print out from model space. As you can see this black screen, this is called as model space. Here at bottom you can see here model, layout 1, layout 2. So if these tabs are not visible for you, just right click on screen, go in option, okay, and from here make sure you are in display tab, and under this layout element you can see one of the option display layout and model tabs. Okay, make sure this option is checked. After that just apply this one and okay, this tab will be visible for you. Now let's move into the paper space. I will just click on layout 1 and you can see here this is called as paper space. From here you can print as well. You can see here these dotted lines. Any object that fall outside of these dotted lines will not be printed. Okay, and here also you can see this rectangle. This is called as floating viewport, and I will just double click under this floating viewport. Now I am in model space. You can see I can handle this drawing. I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can adjust the scale from here as well. Okay, if I want to just scale from here, I can scale. This is the option for scale. I will click here. From here I can adjust any of the scale according to our page. For example, I need, for example, right now 1:400 because this paper is too small. I will click here. Now this drawing is not adjust right. Okay, so I will click again here and I can just adjust 1:500. Now this is adjust here. Okay, and if you want to just add here custom scale, you can add from here as well. Okay, just click on and go into the custom. Okay, from here you can add any of the scale. Okay, for example, you will give the name. I want to just add 1:600. Okay, 1:600, and then I will just give here one paper unit, and here I will give drawing unit. Okay, then I will just click OK. Then I will press OK again. Now again I will go here in scale, and you can see this scale is going to add 1:600. Okay, now if you want to switch back to the paper space, all you need to do is you will just double click here outside of this dotted area. Okay, now I am in paper space. Okay, and I can just zoom in or zoom out the paper. You can also adjust this floating viewport by these grips. Okay, I can adjust these one from these grips as well. Okay, and if you want to lock this one, you can lock this one as well. To lock this one, just click on this one and go into the properties, right click, go into the properties, and from here you can adjust any of the thing. This is a viewport properties. Okay, and if you want to adjust, for example, I want to lock this one. Okay, I will go here in down. Okay, and from here you can see one of the option display locked. Okay, so I want to lock this one. I will press yes, and now I want to just move this. I want to just move into the model space. I will double click here. Nothing is going to happen. If I want to pen this one, now paper is going to pen. Okay, so this is how you can lock this one as well. Once you make setting, and if you feel that these settings are good, you can lock this one as well. Okay, so I want to just unlock this one. I will just select this one. I will go into the properties and I will just select here no. Okay, now I can make change. Okay, you can see here I can make change from here. Now if you want to just move from model space to the paper space, or paper space to the model space, you can just use this button as well. Here you can see this is the model. Right now I am in model. I want to go into the paper space. I will click here. Now I am in paper space. Okay, I want to go into the model space. Now I am in model space. You can see here. Okay, and if this option is not visible for you, just go here. Okay, click here, and from here you can see one of the option model space. Make sure that this option is checked for you. Okay, then this button will be visible for you. Right now I want to add new viewport. Okay, let me just delete this one. Now maybe you are thinking that I have just delete the drawing from model space. Okay, I will go into the model space. Our drawing is here. Okay, so if you just delete the viewport, it will not delete the drawing from model space. Okay, so I just want to add new viewport here. For that, what I will do, I will go here in view. Okay, and here you can see viewport option, and I want to add new viewport. Okay, I will click here, and now here are some options. Okay, like single, two vertical, okay, two vertical. Right now I need single viewport. I will click OK, and it is asking about specify first point, so I want to specify from here to here. Okay, now this viewport is going to add here. Double click inside of this one, and if you want to remove this grid, you can remove from here as well. Okay, now if you want to make print from here, all you need to do is you will go here. Okay, you will click here, and this plot dialog box will be open in front of you. You do not need to make changes from here to select the paper size, layout area, anything you do not need. Okay, only you need is you have to select from here as printer, and from here you can just choose the plot style. Okay, for example, I need monochrome. Any other setting you do not need. Okay, I will go here in preview. Now you can see preview is looking fine. So this is how you can print from paper space as well. We will just discuss more about paper space in next tutorial. I will see you in the next.